So today we have a nice algebraic question. It has been given that if square root of x plus 1 plus square root of y minus 2 equals to square root of x minus 1 plus square root of y plus 2 equals to 3, solve for the value of x and y in the real plane. So let us see the solution. How can we solve for this? So first of all, we can see that three things are given equals to each other. So we'll start the solution by equating the first one with the last one. So the first one is square root of x plus 1 plus square root of y minus 2, and this is going to be equals to 3. And now what I will do is shift this thing over there. So we will have square root of x plus 1 is going to be equals to 3 minus square root of y minus 2. Now I will simply square both the sides. So square of the LHS is equals to square of the RHS. So now in the LHS, square root and square got cancelled out, so we have x plus 1, and this thing is going to be equals to, now here we have to apply the identity that a minus b the whole square is going to be equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 3 square is 9 plus square root of y minus 2 the whole square becomes y minus 2 times 3, that is 6 times square root of y minus 2. So now let us adjust the terms. So finally we will have that x minus 6 is going to be equals to y minus 6 times square root of y minus 2. So now I will keep this equation as it is, and now we'll compare this second thing is equals to 3. So the second one is square root of x minus 1 plus square root of y plus 2, and this thing is going to be equals to 3. Now we'll again shift this thing over there. So square root of x minus 1 is going to be equals to 3 minus square root of y plus 2. Now we'll square both the sides. So x minus 1 is going to be equals to 9 plus y plus 2 minus 2 into 3, 6 times square root of y plus 2. So now let us adjust the terms. So x minus 12 is going to be equals to y minus 6 times square root of y plus 2. So now what I will do is simply add 6 on both the sides. So x minus 12 plus 6 will give me x minus 6 is going to be equals to y minus 6 times square root of y plus 2 and plus 6. So here we have another equation, x minus 6 is equals to y minus 6 times square root of y plus 2 plus 6. And remember the first equation. So here we have the first equation and here we have the second equation. And the best thing about these two equations is that they have the same LHS, that is x minus 6 and x minus 6. So we can simply compare the RHS. So RHS of the first equation is y minus 6 times square root of y minus 2. And this thing is going to be equals to y minus 6 times square root of y plus 2 and plus 6. So positive y and positive y got cancelled out. Now let us adjust the terms. And also we can see that after the cancellation of y, this 6 can also be factored out. So this and this got cancelled out. So what we finally have is square root of y minus 2 is going to be equals to square root of y plus 2 minus 1. Now what I will do is simply square both the sides. So square of this is going to be equals to square of that. So y minus 2 is going to be equals to y plus 2 plus 1 minus 2 times square root of y plus 2. Y and y got cancelled out. Now let us adjust the terms. So 2 times square root of y plus 2 is going to be equals to 2 plus 1 plus 2, that is going to be equals to 5. Now let us square both the sides again. So now what we will have is going to be equals to 4 times y plus 2 is going to be equals to 25. So here we have that 4 times y is going to be equals to 25 minus 8, that is going to be equals to 17. So from here we have the value of y, that is going to be equals to 17 upon 4. So here we have got the value of y, that is 17 upon 4. So now you can simply put the value of y in the first equation or else the second equation. So as to get the value of x, I am putting it in the first equation. So the first equation is that x minus 6 is going to be equals to y minus 6 times square root of y minus 2. So now in this we have to replace y as equals to 17 upon 4. So x minus 6 is going to be equals to 17 upon 4 minus 6 times square root of 17 upon 4 minus 2. So now simplifying the thing present inside the square root. So 17 upon 4 minus 2 will give me 17 minus 8 upon 4 after the LCM. And this will give me 9 upon 4, and as it is a square root, so it will become 3 upon 2. So we have the value of x minus 6 as equals to 17 upon 4 minus 6 times 3 upon 2. So this thing is going to be equals to 17 upon 4 minus 18 upon 2. So now simplifying this thing, so it will give me negative 19 upon 4. And as x minus 6 is going to be equals to this thing, so now we have that x minus 6 is going to be equals to negative 19 upon 4. Simply adding 6 on both the sides, so here 6 has gone. So now negative 19 upon 4 plus 6 after the LCM will become negative 19 plus 24, that is going to be equals to 5 upon 4. So the value of x is going to be equals to 5 upon 4 and the value of y is going to be equals to 17 upon 4. So now let us put the value of x and y in the original equation and see if it satisfies that or not. So as the value of x is going to be equals to 5 upon 4 and the value of y is going to be equals to 17 upon 4. So square root of 5 upon 4 plus 1 will become 9 upon 4 plus square root of y minus 2. So 17 upon 4 minus 2 will become 9 upon 4. So this thing will give me 3 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2, that is going to be equals to 3. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Now let us put the value in the second one. So square root of 5 upon 4 minus 1 will give me 1 upon 4 plus square root of 17 upon 4 plus 2. So 17 plus 8 is 25 upon 4. So this thing will become 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2, that is going to be equals to 6 upon 2, and that thing is again going to be equals to 3. So yes, the value of x, that is 5 upon 4, and the value of y, that is 17 upon 4, absolutely satisfied the equation. So that's the answer. What we did is first of all compare the first one with the 3 and got the first equation. Then we compared the second one with 3 and got the second equation. And after comparing these two equations, we got this particular equation. We simplified that so as to get the value of y. Then we put that value of y in either of the equations so as to get the value of x. And next, for self-satisfaction, we put the values of x and y in the original equation so as to see whether it is correct or not. And as we got 3 and 3 in both the cases, the answer that x is equals to 5 upon 4 and y is equals to 17 upon 4 is absolutely correct. So this was my way to solve this particular question. If you have any other method other than this, you can do comment below, and if it's hard to comment, you can send it to me on my email, or else you can send it to me on my Instagram or Discord. The links are in the description.